morning, everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to earn some free crypto using the Coinbase Learn and Earn. First, you're going to need to go to Coinbase, so please create an account using the link below. This feature does not work until you verify your account, so you're going to want to link this to your bank account. It's going to ask you a few questions about yourself. Once you fill out that information and your account is verified, you'll start getting these offers, I believe 72 hours after being verified. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Coinbase, and on the left here, you're going to click Learn and Earn. Now these are the various lessons available. You can see this already says earned, but for you it will say earn, and it will be blue. So you can see each chapter of the lesson, how long it will take, and what the reward is for doing it. So we're going to click on one. So up here are the segments of the chapter. So as you can see, this is moving. So the information provided will change here in a second. But you can always go back if you need to. Or if it's really basic for you, you can skip ahead. And after each lesson, there'll be a little quiz for you. I have already completed these, so there's no quiz that I can show you. But no, once you get through all these segments, there will be a little quiz. You cannot answer the quiz wrong. It will just tell you you selected the wrong answer. So if you're not paying attention, not a big deal. You can still get your money. But this is a great way to actually learn about how these projects work. I would recommend checking the Learn and Earn for new lessons every time you look at your portfolio. Or if you're doing that multiple times a day, maybe check once a week. They will add new chapters to lessons you've already done. And this is to showcase updates, upgrades, features, and they'll tell you about it, and you can earn a couple bucks. Last year, Coinbase gave away $110 for free using this lesson feature. There might have been more. Sometimes you can miss lessons. Maybe they only last 2 weeks. But I earned $110 last year. And only time will tell what's in store for 2022. So if you have a free moment, go ahead and log into Coinbase and start earning that free crypto.